I can't believe how this thing is. It's flying on its own all around the house. Look at it. Like it's crazy. Like it's in the kitchen. Look out, mommy.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy, Collins Club, back at it again with another review. Today we have the Snaptan SP300 drone that we got sent to us, and Christmas is right around the corner, and this is the perfect gift for under $40. So let's get right into unboxing this thing. Oh, there it is, baby.
Christmas is right around the corner, and the link will be in the description down below, our Amazon store page. All right, take that out of there. So we got a Snaptan SP300 4-axis drone. It looks like there's alternate controls. There's a standard mini remote, a water drop shaped remote, and a G-Sensor watch remote.
And then we have the beast itself.
Whoa.
Here is the SP300.
That looks pretty cool. I like it. I'm gonna get a little close up of that.
Nice. Here.
Hold that right there. All right, so you see that looks like a power button. Let me get in front because of the glare. Looks like a power button. This looks like arrow saying that's probably towards the front. So you got blue in the front, black propellers in the back. Let's flip that over. Let's take a look at the bottom. All right, so these look like little rubber stop. Oh, they even squish in. Are there springs? Okay, they're just squishy. And then right here we got some.
And then right here, the infrared,
little sensors.
Sensors.
There's a sensor. There's a sensor. There's one, and there. Okay, so that's so it doesn't hit stuff, or when you control it with your hand.
Yes. So this is the. Ooh, dude, this is small. The standard mini remote.
This is a tiny little remote. It looks like a little PS4 or an Xbox One controller, don't it? That's pretty cool looking. All right. We don't know all, like I said, we are not drone experts, so we're not going to go over all the specifics yet, but we'll get you into that because we know most of you just want to know, like, hey, is this thing a fun toy and does it fly fun?
Then we have the G-Sensor watch remote, and then here we have the extra propellers, the screwdriver, the extra screws, and then this is the water drop shaped remote. And then we have these two right here are for the batteries, and then this for the batteries.
Okay, these are for the drone batteries that go inside of here on the bottom side. One is inside. Here's the other one. You got two USB charging cables to charge both batteries, and then this USB charging cable goes to
the watch.
The watch. Okay, so that's how you charge the watch. And then, what is it? A AAA battery or something goes in here?
Two AAA batteries go in there.
Are you sure?
Yes, two AAA batteries.
Okay, cool. So this is everything that comes with the drone. And what we're gonna do, folks, is we're gonna make sure we're gonna get everything hooked up, make sure everything's charged, and this also has LED lights on it. We're gonna fly it in the house because we got high ceilings downstairs, and then we're gonna take it outside as long as it's not a rainy or windy day. All right, sound good?
Yeah.
All right, that's a lot of stuff so far for what I see for under $40.
Dude,
all right?
this seems like a pretty good Christmas gift to get your kid or a family member.
Colin had to go to basketball practice for a little bit, but until then we were supposed to charge the batteries and learn how to use the remotes and all that. But curiosity kills the cat, right, Scooch?
Yeah.
Wait until you see this. I don't even know what I'm doing yet with this thing, but this was a blast. Okay, so we know it has lights, and you're gonna love this, Scooch. Watch. So I'm gonna hold the button down.
Oh!
All right, so look at that, right? So it's got lights. How cool is that? But here's the better thing, and I'm gonna let you do it. I'm gonna set it on the floor. All right, let's set it on the floor. Now, take that remote right there. All right, no, leave it alone. Don't press the button. Don't press the button, honey. Put it down. Put the button. Yeah, it flies on its own. All right. All right, now put your hand up to it and watch it. It'll move away from your hand. Watch. Now look at, see how it's got sensors on it. Look at. All right, whoa. Wait, now we're gonna make it go up. Whoa. Hold on, I'm gonna shut the light off. Wait, let me shut the light off. Is that crazy or what? Whoa, look at Look at, see how it goes to hit the wall, but it Scoochie ran. Isn't this crazy? You don't even have to do anything. Folks, we haven't even done anything yet. Put it on the side so it goes away from your hand. Isn't it's not, Scooch. It won't hit you. Look at it. Look at, we can push it back and forth. Oh my gosh, it's just going back, it's going for, wow, look at Was that a blast or what? So you saw Skylar and I playing air hockey with the drone in the house with the lights on, right? That was amazing. So now we got Colin back and we're in the Jeep. He's reading the manual, which you gotta read the manual a little bit if you're not a drone expert or you're not like a drone techie, and that's what he's doing. We got the mini controller, show him, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna calibrate that. We're gonna actually pair it and then calibrate it. So first,
You hold it.
Hold
the
it for
lights
2
should start
seconds.
Beeping.
all right, wait.
All right, there, up, down.
Now you're gonna go 45-degree angle to the right to both. Then you're gonna L3, push down.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh,
All right. Okay, go ahead. Let me get behind you. So he's flying it for the first time, folks. So we don't really have like a lot of knowledge on flying this thing. This is new to us. So it's kind of like trial and error and we're learning as we go. But I can tell you something.
come on, flip, do a flip, do a
For
flip.
having a drone for the first, whoa, nice. For having a drone for the first time ever and using it, Colin's doing pretty good flying it. And wow, holy cow. He's doing pretty good flying it, folks. I hope I got that on the camera, because... Can you flip it up there? Oh, nice flip. Wow, dude. Flip it again. Oh, nice. Nice, dude, nice. He's getting it down now, everybody. Very, very good.
A flip again.
All right,
Pow.
go ahead, stay right there. I'm gonna stay down low behind you.
Thanos snap. Do a flip.
He's doing pretty good for flying. This is literally is Colin's first time ever flying or owning a drone.
Oh.
Whoa, I saw that. Very nice. Nice
I
flip.
figured out what you have to do. To flip it, you have to press the flip button. Whatever way you want it to flip, you have to move the right trigger.
Nice flip. Look at him, he even bounced it off the ground. That was pretty cool. You're getting really good at this. This is amazing, folks. I can't believe how good you're getting at this, flying. I knew it would take a few seconds, but he got it. Get in closer to it, buddy, and see if you can get it to flip right in front of you.
Right.
Here, let me get behind.
Yeah, let's get.
Yeah, I don't want the sun because the sun will.
It died.
Okay, yeah. So the battery. We nice job, man. Nice job. We're gonna use the wristwatch. I'm gonna go ahead and hold this on. It's gonna flash quick. Then once it flashes slowly, there it
there we
goes.
go. Now
Let me
hold
pick
it.
it up and hold it. Now you hit
Now I
that
have to
button
press this, and it should start flashing quickly, and then stop.
and go
And then
solid.
once it stops, you have
There.
then you
Now
have to press the button
hit it.
for like a second, and then it should start blinking again.
Let's try this one more time. There it goes. And
And then
then
it should stop.
there it
Hold
goes. Ooh, I think we're good. All right.
All right.
Come on
Now-
out.
All right, come out here. Now I should have to press the button once, and it should go up. Oh,
All right.
let it go, let it go.
You ready?
Yeah, let it go.
All right, you do whatever you got to do. So he is flying. Let me get behind you. Can you bring it back towards you?
Oh, you see that?
No, go ahead. Bring it back towards you. So we're going to turn it on again. It's going to flash. All right, hold on. Now, slowly now. Now turn on the wrist thing. It's going to flash again.
All right.
Now it's
you
solid.
gotta
Now we got to touch this one time and it's supposed to calibrate.
All right.
Now you put your hand horizontally, right? Now he's going to press the button and let it out and it should go up in flight. And then keep your arm horizontally and tilt it forward a little and backward a little. Go
do
ahead,
it.
press it. Now tilt your hand forward. Now tilt your hand backward. Oh, you flipped? Okay. We both feel like when it came to the wristwatch and using that just like on the front of the box, we both feel like,
I just feel like we were doing something wrong.
right. I mean, that is the only part of this incredible toy, drone, whatever you want to call it. That's the only part of it that was a little more in depth. Using the controller was easier.
Yes.
Of course, using the tiered or the water drop controller to play air hockey
was so
with your
much
brother, sister, or kids, or whatever. It was actually fun. So what do you think, pal? We done?
Yeah.
All right, well, listen, as always, please, if you want to purchase one of these for yourself or for a family member or friend for Christmas, which is right around the corner, it's under $40. Amazing.
Yes.
And you can find it, scroll down into the video description in our Amazon store page link. Please get it from our Amazon store page because anything you purchase from Amazon when you go through our store page link, it helps us out a little bit. All right, well, until next time, thank you all very much.
Don't forget to drop a like, turn your post notifications on, and don't forget to drop a comment of what you liked about this.
Yes, and he live streams video games, and so do I, so keep an eye out for that. That's why he wants you to have those notifications on. All right, everybody, thank you very much. Want to see more videos like this? Then click right here. Have a little sister who loves princesses? Then by clicking right here, go check out Skylar's Club. And if you want to be notified every time we put up a new video, when you click right here and subscribe to us, click that notification bell. And always remember, give more love, get more love. Collins Club.